Ecology is basically, for me, learning about ecosystems and the earth and how animals fit into our in ecosystems. Ecology affects us. Well, we more affect ecology because we're part of an ecosystem, and we're affecting our ecosystems a lot. Us human beings, we're affecting the ecosystem by polluting it and putting trash everywhere. Talk about how our whole every part of our ecosystem is being affected by us, and that's kind of messing up everything because species are dying, and if even one species dies, the whole ecosystem crashes, and that's because of our plastic and plastic bags.
And how do you think we can change this?
We can change this by just doing small things like picking up trash and recycling. Also, instead of riding in a car, you could just ride on a bike, or you could carpool with someone. I think ecology is important to students because we have to learn about the earth and the ecosystems because we're living in the earth. So we need to learn about, our ecosystem.